like, boy, you ain't getting nada till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor.
Yeah. Gudda.
Till you put the
Not a
cuffs on
rapper.
me, your honor.
You been a bad girl, it's time to take your ass to jail. Put the cuffs on, I'm loving how that pussy smell. I got the call from my people that say she looking well. I'm speaking facts on the track and I'm never telling tales. She did a crime on a fella, she really cast a spell. She took my heart off the market when it was on sale. Gave me the handcuffs and threw me right in the jail cell. She put my boat up in the water, told me take a sail. If you wanna try me, come and ride me. I get gutted in the pussy, I get real slimy. How you speaking different tongues to the almighty? Baby looking good, she could be my wifey. Gudda.
She tryna sweat like a sauna. I'm tryna hit the Mariana. She like, boy, you ain't getting nada till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. She tryna sweat like a sauna. I'm tryna hit the Mariana. She like, boy, you ain't getting nada till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. Till you put the cuffs on me, your honor. She wanna put the cuffs on me. I'll put the cuffs on you.